Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is SVG locators. SVG elements are used for icons and graphics and they behave differently from normal HTML tags. In Selenium, SVG tags may not be located correctly using normal XPath. That's why we use the XPath property using name method. In real projects, we usually locate SVG icons by selecting the parent button or clickable container or using SVG XPath with name method when parent is not accessible. This helps us automate icons like close buttons, search icons, edit icons, and menu icons. We often cannot use regular locators directly on SVG icons. SVG elements are not normal HTML elements. So I will run the sample script to identify the SVG elements. First, what we are going to do is we are navigating to the Cogmento app, trying to find the SVG icon and click on it. Once it is clicked, we will input the console and we see if you see SVG located using the name SVG pattern. And if you see it has clicked on the sign in with Microsoft. And if you want to see the locator, we can use dev tools and identify the SVG which is available in this particular element. If you see, this is the SVG which it has clicked. This is how SVG locators are identified using Selenium automation.